Okay, guys, I am back. I just checked my emails. That's how I get communication of my order, where it is. It looks like it's just begun actual processing. There is no shipment date on it, so hopefully I'll still get that soon. These said they were beginning processing on Friday, and I had them by Monday, so I'm hoping to have the XL box, I believe that's what it was called, or maybe the large box, by Tuesday or Wednesday, the latest Thursday. But bonus for us, we get to make 2 videos instead of 1. So again, my ramble is over, but just so you know, I do have a larger box coming. I do have giveaways for you guys. As always, I love giving back to you. We also do have Twitter and Instagram now as well. Come and follow us, check us out there. I have been trying this new thing where I'm posting regularly. My Instagram is linked to my Twitter, and every time I do like a makeup look, like this makeup look will be on there tomorrow, I hope. That will be for sure, because I just have to actually just take pictures of it. And then I'll link to my Instagram, so I'm trying to do that daily, even though I'm not making as many videos. So what do you have to do to be entered into this giveaway? There will be 3 winners. 1 winner will win the massive Jawbreaker collection, those 3 palettes, the Jawbreaker, the big one, the mini breaker, and then the Brain Freeze. We also do have a mini mystery box, and then also a medium mystery box too that will be included in that giveaway. Just make sure that you're showing support, following us on Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter, subscribing, and being part of our beauty fam. But without further ado, let's do what we came to do and open these boxes and see what's inside. These came here at like 10 a.m. this morning. I was literally stalking my mailman because he has this habit. Anyways, story time again. But he has this habit of stealing my packages. Like, oh, you have to sign for these, and then I'll take off and run with them, and I don't get them. So I was literally at my door at 8 o'clock this morning. My door open. I have a front porch. So as you guys have seen in other videos, I had my front door open. I was just like waiting for him. Like I was making cookies. I was just like sitting there waiting for him. Like, yep, you're gonna give me my Jeffree Star mystery boxes, sir. We're not gonna play the I chase you down the block today. You're gonna give me my boxes. So let's go ahead and jump in and see what's inside. Also, on a side note, you can see behind me, Rosie is taking a nap. She could not wait to be part of this video as well. So okay guys, so in true fashion, let's start with the smaller one. Now I did go ahead and pre-open these before we started filming. I have not looked inside, so all my reactions will be genuine, and we are experiencing this together. Okay guys, she is opening. I have no idea what's inside. Oh my gosh, it's green packaging. He usually does, but it's normally pink. So this is cute to see that it's green. I love the mystery box so far. And I believe in the small, you actually do get 3 items. Okay guys, so the first one that I have is a velour liquid lipstick, and it is in Medusa. Oh, okay, awesome. It does say shake well before use. As you guys know, if you've used Jeffree Star products, it says the exact same on everything. Long lasting beauty, extreme beauty, matte finish, cruelty free, and vegan. Shake well for 5 seconds. Alright, vegan, cruelty free, 12-month shelf life on this. And then they do have 19 fluid ounces or 5.6 milliliters. Okay, and then the second one that we got is Scandal. It is also a velour liquid lipstick. Again, you know the drill on that. The fluid ounces, vegan, cruelty free, shake well. In the white packaging, and then also you do get the pop socket as well, but this year it is in green, which is super duper cute, of course. This is Medusa. Again, it comes in that beautiful pink chrome sparkly packages. It does look like it's going to be kind of like a bluey gray color. That's what I'm gonna go with. Okay, perfect. Good for fall and Halloween coming up. Yes, Jeffree, I'm here for it. Not a color that I'd wear every day, but I've been trying to try darker shades anyways, which we all know that's what fall is for. And this is Scandal. This is in his white kind of, it's not really, it's kind of, well, I don't know. It's not really a gold or like a silver. It's kind of like a mix. Metals for the shimmers in these. And this is Scandal, if you haven't seen what that looks like. So those are the 2 that are in there. I did check again just to make sure. These do retail for $20, or they did retail for $20. But These each are $18 a pop. So right there, 18 plus 18 is 36, if my math is correct. So you're already getting your money worth. I can't really value the pop socket because I don't believe that's actually for retail. I believe that's only specific to these mystery boxes that he has. So, and again guys, if you did miss it, I did order the larger box as well. It just did not ship, it didn't come, but I definitely wanted to make sure that we got these boxes out as soon as possible, the video wise. But we will be doing a part 2 when the big box does come as well. This is the medium box. Again, I did open it, but I haven't actually peeked inside, so I have no idea what's going on in there. I wanted to be surprised, but I believe this does have the mystery shade as well. I'm here for it. Okay, and there's also a green packaging, the gift in there as well. And you actually do get 5 items in here. With the other one, you got 3 for $20. The medium boxes retail for $45. No, I'm not sad, guys. I promise. It's just my laryngitis. It's just being dorky. Sorry. Okay, so I've actually never tried this before, and I'm like really excited. Thank you, Jeffrey. This is a step up. You guys know I have done the mystery boxes. I believe, okay, you know what? Don't shoot me, but I believe there's 2 other ones to this. There was the pink ones that he did. That was during like winter time. And then there was the Valentine's one that he did. And then now we have the summer boxes. But this is a step up, and I'm living for this. I'm actually gonna check too to let you know how much this actually retails for. I'm also very sick, so I really do apologize. It kind of sucks, but everything is going to be getting better soon, and I definitely can't wait. If you guys don't know what the Liquid Frost is, it is a liquid highlighter. You get a lot of product, 30 milliliters or 1.1 fluid ounces. This one is in Frozen Peach. Frost Define Magical Liquid Lighting in a Bottle, a Metallic and Glitter Orgy. I live for that, yes, I'm here. Beauty tip, apply product with a damp beauty sponge, synthetic brush, or your fingers. Can be applied on any part of your face and body that you want to be accentuated. I think that's what that actually said. And they said to shake well, so shaky. If you don't know what it looks like, here's what it looks like. I'm living for this. I have never actually owned one of these products before, but for what I understand anyways, to make this product actually work, you have to shake it, obviously. Oh my god, are you guys living for this top? Wish I could show you the full top, but it's like this cute little pink number, and it's got like a little bit of like a drawstring. It's got like this flowy part to it too. I'm living for it. Anyways, let me know in the comments if you guys want to see like a clothing haul, something besides mystery boxes and beauty bags and beauty and tutorials and things like that, because I live for that and I'm good with that. I know I love buying clothes too. So anyways, what you're supposed to do with this, sorry, I'm rambling off again. Shake it and then pop it. Shake it, pop, shake it, pop. And then you pump it. So we're gonna go with that, okay? So shake it, pop, pump it. And then you actually can pull it out here, and it should just come out on your, oh, whoa, that is a lot. That's, woof. Give that product back, whoa. Here's what it looks like all smoothed out. Oh my gosh, that is so sparkly. It has like a pink purple shift to it. I'm definitely here for it. I love. The next one that we have is Gargoyle and Karma. I'm gonna go ahead and open these up so you can see a nice swatch of these, but don't leave just yet because we haven't even seen the mystery shade yet. So don't start leaving. You need to still watch the end to see the mystery shade, so chill out. This is actually in, just kidding, love you. This is in the Lip Ammunition. And this is in Gargoyle. Ooh, I am here for the dark shades, Jeffrey. Honey, baby, you make me come out of my comfort zones in ways that I would never ever try. And you know what? You never know. Sometimes rainbows are made in different colors, in all colors. So you should try more things. But that's actually a gray shade. I have some fun things I'm planning for Halloween. Let me know if you want me to do a Halloween video too of like really good ideas last minute. Because I do Halloween every year and I don't care. Last year I went as a Little Red Riding Hood. So it's kind of cute. But anyways, here's Karma. This is a velour liquid lipstick. That was a Lip Ammunition, the Gargoyle. We're going to go and swatch her through as well. kind of like a really cool army green. I honestly don't dislike the shade. I would honestly wear it. And green, if you haven't noticed, is kind of in. Thank you, Jeffrey. But also too, guys, just so you know, you can also use these products, like the liquid lipsticks, for like on your eyes and eyelids as well. So there's that as well. And then this box, you do get the Pop Socket. This is in the orange. Again, this is not sold anywhere, so I can't really value it or retail it, give you a price for it. But here's the mystery shade. Dun, 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 dun. I'm like really bummed that the other box didn't come yet. Like, I know it's probably hectic, but I'm really bugged. But oh, you guys, I'm being totally unfair, but I'm like looking at it and I'm not even sharing it with you. But anyways, here's what the little thingy looks like. He's so right. I am here for this. It's a pretty pink. Yes. There she is. And it's in the green. Let's try it on actually. Oh my god. This is such a beautiful shade. Look at me trying to be a professional. Okay guys, so those are the two mystery boxes. Again, the small one does retail the mini for $20. Looks like we had a retail value of $36 with the two liquid lipsticks that were in there. You did also get the Pop Socket, but you can't really retail that because there's not really a price on it. For this one, you got the lip ammunition, the liquid lipstick. You also got another liquid lipstick and the mystery shade plus the, what is it called? Oh my god, liquid frost. I'm so sorry. I'm so out of it, and I'm trying to like not be like that, and I know I've been missing a lot, but so much stress. But we're almost done. We're almost out of it, and things are gonna get so much better. And it already has. And have the mystery shade, which doesn't even have a name. It just says mystery, or question mark. Excuse me. Karma and Gargoyle. So there's 4 items, and then you got your Pop Socket. The other item will have 10 items in it, but it's not here. I do want to just quickly clarify that no, these boxes are not the ones in the giveaway. I did order the other boxes, but again, they're not here. I'm still waiting on them. These are for my personal consumption. I would not be swatching, trying on, tasting, playing, whatever with products that I'm giving you guys, because I'm just not cool with that. I'm not down with that in any way, shape, or form. These boxes are strictly for me. Your boxes are still coming. As far as the retail value for the mini box. Okay guys, just to do some clarification, I did look at the flyer a little bit closer. It does say that yes, this is a $20 box that you purchase and pay for, but you should have at least $50 inside of here that is of value. So I believe the Pop Sockets at this point would be valued at $15 because you get the 2 liquid lipsticks at $18 and $18, which is $36. So adding that minusing 50 would leave you at $15 for the Pop Socket. So I think that's where we are missing a little bit of cash. However, for the medium box, that's supposed to retail at a $94 price point, even though you're only paying $45. This is $25, and then you have 18 times 3, and then again you have that $15 Pop Socket. So yes, that would give you $94 if that's what it's truly being valued at. Again, make sure you're subscribed, follow us on Instagram and Twitter, because we're on both of those as well.